Have you ever stopped to think about the magic box that spits out cash whenever you need it? The ATM, or automated teller machine, has totally changed how we handle our money, making banking accessible 24/7. But have you ever wondered what's going on inside that machine, or how it all started? Stick around, because we're about to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of the ATM. It all began in the 1960s with a British inventor named John Shepherd Barron. Legend has it, he was inspired after missing his bank's closing time and being unable to get cash. His first machine, installed in London in 1967, didn't use a plastic card. Instead, it used special checks lightly coated with a radioactive substance, carbon-14. The machine would detect the radiation to verify the check and then dispense the cash. It sounds a bit like a sci-fi movie, right? And the personal identification number, or PIN. Shepherd Barron originally conceived of a 6-digit number, but his wife could only remember 4. So, he settled on the 4-digit PIN that has become the standard we all use today. Thanks to his wife, we don't have to remember 2 extra numbers. So, what's actually inside an ATM? It's not just a simple box of money. The cash is neatly stacked in removable containers called cassettes. Each cassette is locked and can hold a specific denomination of bills, like 20s or 50s. When you request cash, the magic starts to happen. A device called a friction picker, which has special rubber wheels, pulls one bill at a time from the top of the stack in the cassette. It's designed to be incredibly precise, grabbing just a single note. After a bill is picked, it travels along a series of rollers and belts. On its journey, it passes through a thickness sensor. This is a crucial security step. The sensor measures the thickness of each bill to make sure it's not a double feed, meaning 2 bills stuck together, or a counterfeit note that might be too thick or too thin. The sensor detects something wrong, like a folded corner or a potential fake. That bill is immediately diverted into a separate container called the reject bin. This ensures that only perfect, legitimate bills make it to you, and it helps the bank track any discrepancies. The rejected bills aren't just thrown away. They're stored for later inspection by the bank staff. But how does the machine know it's really you and that you have enough money? This is where the digital side of things gets really interesting. When you insert your card and enter your PIN, that information isn't just stored in the machine. It's encrypted instantly and sent through a secure network to your bank's central computer, often called the host processor. This creates a secure digital handshake. The host processor verifies your PIN, checks your account balance, and confirms that you have sufficient funds for the withdrawal. Only after it gives the green light does it send an encrypted approval message back to the ATM. This whole process happens in just a few seconds. Once the approval is received, the ATM knows exactly how much to dispense. The friction pickers pull the correct number of bills from the designated cassettes. For example, if you asked for $100, it might pull 5 $20 bills. The bills are then gathered in a stacker, counted one last time by another sensor to confirm the total amount is correct, and then presented to you through the cash slot. The entire sequence, from picking to dispensing, is a marvel of electromechanical engineering, designed for speed, accuracy, and security. So, the next time you're grabbing some cash from an ATM, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that little machine has been on. From radioactive checks to high-speed sensors and encrypted handshakes, the ATM is a true icon of modern convenience. It's a complex, secure, and brilliantly engineered device that keeps our financial world moving, one transaction at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look inside everyday tech, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.